Mishimelon.
We need to determine how much the watermelons weigh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Transfer the load to the scales to balance them. Great job! Look! Pears! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Transfer the load to the scales to balance them. Awesome! You did it! And the last one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Transfer the load to the scales to balance them. You determined the weight correctly. Good job! These fruits look so dull. Time to brighten them up. Color the picture by matching the colors. Yay! Keep up the excellent work, champ! A yummy strawberry! Let's color the strawberry according to the colors. Perfect! Can you help me color these fruits? Color the apple red. Color the kiwi green. Color the grape purple. Color the orange orange. Color the banana yellow. You did it! You painted all the fruits in the right colors. I wonder what picture is hidden here. Let's find out. Look! This is a number series that starts with the number 1. Move all numbers to the correct places in ascending order. Great job! This is a picture with different fruits.
Wow!
Let's find out what picture is hidden here. Look! This is a number series that starts with the number 1. Move all numbers to the correct places in ascending order. Great job! This is a picture of furniture for the house. Are you ready to test your skills? How many peaches are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Move the correct number to the spot after the equal sign. 9. There are 9 peaches. You did a great job. Let's check the way you count things. How many apples do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Move the correct number to the spot after the equal sign. 10 apples. You did it so well.
I am your good teacher.
Let's help sort these fruits. Move the items into the boxes according to the numbers. Great job! And here is a new batch of fruits. Awesome! There are 3 boxes left. Thanks for the help in sorting the fruits. Let's make a tasty smoothie.
Add 3 oranges to the blender. 1, 2, 3. Now add 6 strawberries to the blender. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's time to add 4 bananas to the blender. 1, 2, 3, 4. Finally, add 5 ice cubes to the blender. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
We made a very tasty smoothie. Keep it up. Looks like it's a grape. It's just not clear what color it is. Let's color the picture according to the numbers. So, it's a purple grape. Great job! The fruits have rolled around the place. Put the same fruits together. Amazing job! They say there's going to be rain with fruits and toys. Let's catch them! Pineapple, water, building block, ring stacker, watermelon, ring stackered, apple, ring stackered, apple, building blocks, apple, building blocks, ball, pineapple, apple, watermelon, building blocks, ball, watermelon. You're doing great! Fruity Patootie gave you a task. Let's find some fruits. That's not so hard, is it? Great job! There are strawberries hidden here. Can you find them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10. Perfect! Something does not belong in this row. Find the item that does not belong. Great! Can you do it again? Find the item that does not belong. Awesome! And the one last one. Find the item that does not belong. Amazing job! Our friends are coming over for a party! Let's get some fruits. First, let's get a juicy watermelon. Good going! How about some fresh apples? That's right! Also, some sweet cherries. Hooray! Our party will be awesome! The fruits have fallen from their spots. Move the fruits to their right spots. Well done! Oh, look, there's more! Woohoo! Just one more. Splendid!